Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. In this video, we'll be covering user management. Let's get started. To begin, we will click on Access Management on the left menu bar. In this screen, we see two options. At the top of the page, you will see User Management and Company Management. Companies are managed in a hierarchy structure. For example, if you have the master account, you can then create a Client A and a Client B. Then you can manage data down in the hierarchy, giving the company the ability to manage data from both clients A and B, perhaps limiting access between client A and B to disallow access to each other's data. We can also set up multi-levels so that client A might have departments 1, 2, and 3, and in the same manner, the company will be able to manage all departments, while Department 1 would not be allowed access to Department 2's data, if configured to be at the same level. To create a new company, just go to the top right of the page and click on Create New. In this panel, starting with the company name, we'll just use Department 1 here. Then you will select the parent company to set where in the hierarchy it belongs. Is it the parent company, or is it under Customer A, for example? You can then set an expiration date on the entire company that would essentially stop access to users in that company and no longer be able to access data as of the set date. Then click Create. For user management, the concept is similar. After we have created the company first, we will then click on User Management at the top left of the page. Then click Create New to create a new user. We will enter our full name, then our email address. For our password, we have the option to uncheck the box and create our own, or we can check the box to have the system generate a password and send a welcome email that includes the credentials. Then we select the company from the drop-down list, and you can decide what role the user will have. If you're unsure the role definitions, just click on the small I to view role information and help you determine the appropriate role for this user. We can also set an expiration date for this specific user, which is ideal if the user is a contractor or consultant needing access for an allotted period of time. And last, we can choose if we want the user to see product updates or not. And then click Create. Thank you for taking time to view this tutorial. We'll see you in the next one.